spot, and it's gonna be increasing.
Yo, welcome to Trade Line, ladies and gentlemen, anything in between. It is a beautiful day in Chicago. It's not, actually. It's fucking terrible. It's raining. But it's a beautiful day for the market. That's what we're here for. We have a lot of things we're looking at today. That stock that I recommended the other day that was banging BTX is banging even further. It's at $65. I don't know if that's a pump and dump situation. I mean, I can only assume that it's a pump and dump situation considering it came from 20 to 65 really quickly. But and I know really apparent news other than like just a minor like story here. Let's go. Let's read over what it was just so we can refresh ourselves. Is Brooklyn Immunotherapeutics the next GameStop? That's an article that's coming up. Yeah, stock agreement with Lincoln Park. That's what it was. Get the fuck out of here. No, negative. Anyways, in other news, the other one we got, this one we bought on, when did we buy EDR? When did it IPO'd? Okay, EDR, Endeavor Group Holdings. We snagged this like, I want to say like 30 minutes after IPO. Maybe a little bit longer than that, to be honest. Might have been an hour and a half after IPO. Not sure of the exact time. Either way, we scooped this at 25. Let's check the Thinkorswim. EDR we got at 25.04. Here we go. 25.04. That's a nice fucking scoop. Real nice. I feel like it was a nice scoop. I mean, it IPO'd at, what was the price it hit? I guess the launch was right around 25 bucks anyways. The low is 23 though. It's all right, dude. I think I have a lot of faith in EDR, man. That UFC is hosting like amazing events. You just like nonstop see them all over. Let's go with Doge, dude. Doge made some moves over the weekend. Were you watching Doge, Chris, this weekend?
Oh yeah,
dude, it made some good moves, honestly. It's still moving. It's at 39. It really wants to touch this 40 cents, man. I got in at 17.5. It was a nice little scoop, to be honest with you. After it hit its rise to 40, after then I was like, man, if I can get a nice order on this shit. But dude, it's looking like, I mean, if this next big red candlestick is gonna tip over, dude, come on, you got it. You can do it, dude. 39.49, 39.51. All right. It looks like potentially they can hit this 40 pretty. Let's see if it has in the last day.
Keep an eye on Dogecoin this weekend because of Elon Musk is going to be on SNL.
Yeah, that's what I heard too. I don't know how that's going to help it, but I mean, I guess because he's a fanboy, a Doge fanboy, he'll probably talk about it or something like that. They'll probably reference it in one of his skits. He'll be like a Dogecoin billionaire or something. Dude, if he's a Dogecoin billionaire in one of his skits on SNL, and I called it from Monday, that means their shit is unoriginal. That's what that shit means.
And it's gonna pump. I got a weird feeling about that, Chris.
Dude, I fucking hope it's gonna pump. I hope.
Don't hope. Hope is for the weak.
Hope is for the weak. All right. Well, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen either fucking way. And if it pumps, it pumps. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
True.
But let's check out the top gainers, dude. Swing on over here to bar chart. This is where we start off in the morning, dude. You know, it's like the home free, dude. AcuGen, baby. OCGN. Another. Like, I love it. I love it when these Reddit stocks take off, to be honest with you. Sometimes you're in, sometimes you're not. But either way, it's fun to see. They, like, the little retail traders are, like, making some momentum, dude. It's all about the big boys in the stock market all the time, you know, and it always has been. So it's nice to see these like retail guys getting in on it. I love it, and that's kind of why we created the show, right? To have a little bit of dialogue opened up between ourselves, retail traders, and the rest of the fucking world who are retail traders. Adjust the camera angle slightly. Okay. Oh man. What else, dude? What else? All right. Let's cycle back. I like this bar chart, honestly, after the market opens. Before and during market open, my predominant use here is I go to this market section. Oh, no. What happened? Oh, dude, this is terrible. This is like such a terrible feature of Weeble, to be honest with you. Index chart, no. We're going to get rid of the net inflow. It's like every once in a while, like you'll restart your app and this saved section goes back to like absolutely fucking nothing. So weird. It's like goes back to it's like default one, and now I have to like do all of this shit right now. Even though it's not that much work, it's still just literally annoying. Delete and delete. Okay, beautiful, lovely. Now this is what we want, dude. This Afria, you know, I was looking at this company back when right around when I first started trading, it was like $8. Let's see, dude. Doge, baby, come on. You can keep climbing, dude. This is a long red tear or green tear, but let's let it run.
Yeah, it's gonna run.
Afria. Ooh, the ADVM I'm still bleeding on. It's okay. It'll come back. It'll come back. I'm not sweating. I shouldn't have jumped into that. Chad, next time you guys see a stock that's down fucking massively on any news, if anything's down 40% or more, 50% at certain times, fucking stay out. That's not saying stay out forever, but stay out for at least one more day. Because if it drops that much one day, the next day, it will not bounce back up. 99% of the time, it will not. That is what I've seen. I keep track of all this shit, right? Mentally, write some of it down when we keep the prices on in a little notebook. But a lot of it's mental, and I'm constantly making these. APHA got delisted? What the fuck does that mean? Why does it say delisted right here?
They didn't make the requirements.
Tilray closes the merger. Tilray bought him, man. I knew it. I was looking at the stock when it was $8. That sucks. They were talking about it back then that Tilray was looking at to buy it. And the reason why that's such a good thing is because if you're owning, like, watch, Tilray's probably down because they did the merger. Like, whenever the company that's buying somebody, no, they're up a little tiny bit in pre-market. Whenever the company that's buying another company usually goes down, and the company that's being bought almost always goes up. It's strange that APHA got delisted. So I don't know what would happen. They just convert your shares into Tilray shares?
Probably so.
Yeah, I wonder at what rate. You know what I'm saying? Either way, we're going to go back to this market. Let's check these volume gainers for the day, man. Fam. This fammy over here, dude. These fucking, what were they called? The mushrooms? Like, you know, the fungi specialist? Ooh, Vaxxer, dude. It's fucking getting dicked down right now. I hope they sold that shit.
No, they did bad on the earnings.
Did they?
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of not that surprising, but...
Told them to sell it.
Yeah, so did I. Remember when we said we actually, they hit 12.75 in after hours. That was nice. This was right when we were talking about this shit right here. Remember? 11.11. Yep, that was it. This is we were talking about Friday. A couple of the guys had a bunch of VXRT, and they were holding. I'm like, man, you got to get early in the morning. We got to get rid of this at 11. It's going to ping it. It's going to hop back down, and look at this shit. Honestly, they could have made more money if they sold it after hours, but who fucking wants to take that risk, dude? Such a short risk to take. It would have been nice, though. 12.75 is a big banger, but look at this. Right when earnings came, presumably. Bing! Oh, man, that's terrible. Well, you know what? It's not for us, brother. If they didn't sell it, they didn't sell it. They're going to keep holding it. Nothing you can do. Bam! And we're off. Let's go. Market open, baby. Let's see what's going to happen here. Let's see what's going to happen. Watch the pre-market gainers, dude. BTX is going to $70 fucking dollars, man. $70, bro. Look at this shit. BTX. An absolute banger. Absolute banger, my friend. It hit 91 in pre-market. Oh, my God. This shit is going to go to 100. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to test this fucking shit out. We're going to buy, like, a BTX today. We're going to buy a singular BTX. Let's buy this shit. Create new order at, what price do we want to get it for? Let's say $67. Actually, let's say $67. Fuck it, we're not gonna be greedy. We're gonna buy two. We're gonna buy two, just to Noah's Ark it. Oop. And by two, I mean 11. Actually, I mean 10. We're just gonna try it. Fuck it. What is gonna happen? Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna get it right now.
Come on, stockity stocks.
Let's go down. Let's go down. Limit order, man. I want to hit this limit.
Oh, MCRB.
Oh, dude, it's not gonna happen. Weevil needs to change this so you can like edit your fucking order.
Oh, well, if you was on Think and Swim, you wouldn't have to have that conversation.
Dude, look at this thing just banging BTX. Absolutely banging. What else do we got for the day? Where is it in terms of volume, though? That just now canceled my order? It should have been canceled, man. 20 fucking minutes ago, yeah.
Come on, G-Box.
I'm tempted to do a market order, but I
Oh,
don't know
yeah, no,
about
right.
that. 70. Let's do 70. We'll just do it on the fucking nose. 67. I might get it, but I'm a little impatient, you know? I don't know if you guys can see that in the chat. Sometimes I want to get this stack. Sometimes I... Let's do a nice non-even number, right? 9 of them. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby, drop. Give me that 9. Give me that 9. There's a lot of this, the volume is starting to tick up. Let's read that story, though, that was going back about it being the new GameStop, or next GameStop. Let's see why this was theorized. Who's saying that? Price active CCIV. Oh, boy. Order has been filled for BTX? Oh, really? Apparently.
Yay.
Oof. Should have kept my original order.
Come on, Mara.
She was a friend of mine.
Here we go, baby. You running like a little rate date.
Oof. Oh, yeah, here we go. Now we got the juice flowing through the laptop. Sorry.
Yeah, come on, people, run.
Ooh, I could have kept my order at 67, dude. Is it stopped out? Yep. It's stopped out. Suspended on the way down. That's not good, man. I might be getting fucked up in this BTX position. But sometimes you got to risk it, man, for the biscuit. It was high, but it hit 91. Might hit 91 back now. You know, what are you going to do? It's all right. I didn't put too much into it. Not too much.
Come on, Mara, you running.
Man, another suspension on our hands, brother. Not a good direction suspension, though. It's okay, because we're going to hold this. We're going to see what's going to happen. What's the worst going to happen? It's going to go to 30. Come on, now. Hit 91, you see? Let's see what kind of resistance it had when it hit this 81 this morning. Honestly, not much. There was no clear resistance here that it should have knocked it down. I would see more like clear resistance here at 78, if anything, but the 78, 70, high 78 range. And then it's 91. Don't worry. We're going to make fucking money on it, man. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to set a limit order right now. Close position. Just in case it hits 91. I'm fucking good with 91. All right, I'll take 91. I'm not a greedy fuck. Instead, I'll take 90.5. I think that's fair. It's very fair. What am I gonna make? Not shit. $300. Marvin, oh, he was a friend of mine. Yeah. Actually, let's do a higher order. I don't want to be. If it gets close, I'll market it. I'll do market. See, sometimes you got to get risky with these little ones. They're not. You can play a little loose. Okay. You know what? Another company that I wanted to look into is UXIN, man. That was the one, bro. UXIN. Price alert on CCIV, dude. How do we get rid of these fucking alerts? That's the real question. Oh shit! This is a fucking cheat, boy.
What's going on with you, Skills?
Oh no! Don't. How bad is it tanking, dude?
$17.38.
Oh, I got my open order, man, at $15.70, bro. If I scoop it, I scoops it. Should I lower it? No, I think this is good. I think this is enough momentum to get my order, dude. $15.70, babe. Laser focus. Set off real lines of support. Dude, BTX, they got to come back. Anyways, let's go back to UXIN. So, here's the scoop with this company. I want to check out their website through due diligence. Let's go over here to the fucking Chrome, boy. It looks really nice, right? So, you unfortunately can't get in. There's no way. Because, they suppose security threat. Hold on, though. But if we go back here, turn on this old NordVPN. I don't know if that's going to fuck with my stream if I switch to my location. I don't know, but the company looks good. I mean, the price looks good, honestly. That's what I really like about it. I like the market cap, too, is near $1 billion. So, I mean, this thing, it's $4, it's over. So, backwards on. Oh, it did. It restarted my fucking stream, dude. All right, man. So, apparently, that's not a possibility. We can't just turn the fucking VPN on and turn it off where it's streaming. It disconnects me. So, for all intents and purposes, UXIN, we can't view their website right now. But I viewed it before. It's pretty nice. I believe they are like, they put a little bit of money into their company, into their website. Let's see. The company enables people to buy the car of their choice. We would hope you're buying the one of your choice. The company platform consists of two synergistic businesses. I don't know how do you say it. UXIN, used car, and an auction. Okay. Okay, so they have like basically an enterprise suite and a retail suite. There's nothing crazy there. Let's look at their financials though. Let's hit the annual financials, 228 million. So this is from what period of time though? Okay. Why was their income so tiny in 2018? Look at their balance sheet. I don't know, man. It looks pretty solid, to be honest with you. But is it time to sell? Maybe. Shit. All right, dude. NPTN. What's up, Henry? What's shaking, brother? Neophotonics. NPTN. All right, let's check this one out a little bit. Let's see what they do. Semiconductor. All right, dude. Semiconductor is a good space to be in right now, especially with the chip shortage, all this bullshit that's going on. It's a hot sector. It's like alternative energy, electric vehicles, things like that. This is like a subsector of that stock. So let's see though. Neophonics Corporation develops, manufactures, and markets electronic products that transmit, receive, and switch digital optical signals for communication networks. Okay, it's a little fiber to home communication networks. Let's see what they're working on. Let's see. Come follow me down in the old due diligence phase. Cutting edge lasers shape the future. What the fuck? What kind of lasers they got? Let's see what kind of lasers y'all motherfuckers got. Tunable lasers. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what these can be used for.
Volatility.
Wavelength, man. Oh man. They really got lasers. Lots and lots of lasers. Let's see. Solutions. This is what we want to see. Okay. So their lasers, it looks like what their lasers do are sensing technology is one of them, as well as communication, like how they use like infrared for, or not infrared, but like what are those laser cables they use for like your TVs and shit like that for sound, audio? It's like a much higher quality form. Similar concept, I would imagine, obviously on like a different scale. But back to the companies like meat, right? We care about what they do, but we care more about where they can go and where they've been. Right now, they've dropped pretty fucking heavily, right? From 4.29 till now. What the fuck happened to this company? $12 from that point. 8.28. Looks like they've done this though repeatedly. So 2.16, 3.22, 3.5. 3.5 was like that last 2 months that were down. 3.5 was like the worst day for most of the stocks, is what I've noticed. So let's see what their 52-week is. 14. Their low is 5. Okay, kind of in the middle. Their market cap is not bad. They got a $500 million market cap just about. So it's a solid market cap for this company in terms of. See what the analysts say. 14. Yeah, man, I think it's a buy. I would buy some and hold it, to be honest with you. It's not a bad call. I don't know what time you're going to be able to get your money on it. I don't know when they're going to see their news. Let's see. Because that's the other thing, too. You want to check when their earnings were, all this shit. So you're going to get an idea. It looks like they just had earnings. 225. So they're probably not going to do it again until like July or June. Let's see when the previous one was. Actually, no, they probably will do another one soon. Let's see. NPTN earnings. Let's see what they say, brother.
How much you say you want skills that again?
1570, my friend.
You might get it today.
Yeah, what's the price at? It's dropped.
1684.
Woo! Let's go, baby. What's the news? What's the news on it? Should I cancel my order? Is it gonna fuck me up if I buy it?
Let me check the news real quick.
What do they say? Kathy Woods sold all of her fucking shit.
Don't say that.
Dude, I know. I'll fucking drop it, man. I'll come back later at a later date.
There's no news on it.
Yeah, so I think NPTN is a solid buy, to be honest with you. It depends. It wouldn't be my top buy, but if you want to park your money here and dump it, go for it. What I would do if it were me with NPTN is this is one of two kinds of stocks. This sector is either going to blow the fuck up this year, or it's kind of going to lay dormant, right? I think everybody kind of got on this laser technology last year thinking it was going to be like the next greatest thing. And in a lot of ways, it is going to be the next greatest thing. However, I think that it's still not fully realized like the value of it yet, right? I don't think these companies, they're going to pop every single fucking year, right? In other news, though, sorry to cut that thought off. Where's BTX, dude? She back, brother. She back. Come on, raise me to the roof. Raise me to the roof. We got an open position in this shit. We would have got it at our 67 order. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to see this shit hit $91 today. Actually, we need it to hit 93. It's going to sell my order at 93. Let's go, baby. Let the wings of the eagle soar. Yeah, but this one wouldn't be like I said, wouldn't be my like absolutely top company. I still think it's going to be a good one. But if you're going to buy some, hold it for a little bit and either sell it at a high price, similarly to where it was at. Let's see. NPTN. If you buy it around here, to be honest, you might even be able to get a cheaper price. But I don't know why their company went down. What was that big drop from? You know? So they got some conflicting analyst reviews here. Raymond James sticks to their sell rating, and Northland Securities keeps their buy rating. Yeah, might be okay. It might be an alright one. I would give it like, come on, baby, fill this order, dude. I cannot wait. It's so close. It's not so close, but it's about $1 away. But yeah, I mean, MPTN is gonna be. That's my thoughts on it. Back to this UXIN, man. I'm kind of interested in it because it's only $3, right? So if they make like any sort of waves where it starts to look like they're seriously going to be the Carvana of China, where people in the United States are going to be like, oh my God, this UXIN or Uxin or whatever, however the fuck they pronounce it, they're going to say this company is the next Carvana, but the Chinese version. They're going to link together how many drivers there are in China, and they're going to say, man, this is a huge market. So if this company is not, like I've covered earlier on the cast, man, I am a little bit skeptical of, like, these Chinese companies that come out of nowhere, right? Like, they're too, like, not that they come out of nowhere, but, like, a lot of these companies have seen some, like, this been wrought with fraud, you know? Look at all of the, like, crypto mining fucking rigs that turned out to be shit. Of course, man. I was debating, but I don't know. Of course I remember Brooklyn, man. I'm in Brooklyn, brother. We're fucking getting killed on Brooklyn right now. We're not getting killed. I'm down like $27. I bought 9 of them, man. I'm going to check it out. If I can make like $200 off of it real quick, like watch. Let this shit go right here. Oh, we're back. I got to get you on the right screen, man. BTX. Yeah, baby, skills.
Oh, NASDAQ is taking a tank.
It is. It's taking a little bit of a shit this morning, I noticed. But it's okay. We're doing well. My Thinkorswim is banging it out right now. EDR is pulling me up, baby. $29. Dude, fucking Humble, man. You know, as soon as I get back in the profit on Humble, that's it. I'm out, dude. Here's what I do. I like to do extreme amount of due diligence. When I buy something, anything that it is, no matter what, if it's a stock, fucking option, fucking crypto, a t-shirt, anything, I do some research, right? I'm like, is this organic cotton? What the fuck is this? Who made this? Where did it come from in the world? I like to know these things, right? So I downloaded the app. I downloaded the actual Humble app, like, which is, it's like a payment app. It's like a Venmo, right? But a little more confusing than Venmo and less like free feeling as Venmo. I don't know. You basically have to just search on a fucking map and click on some shit. And all these payment providers, they say that all these businesses are like businesses you've never heard of, like construction companies or like private baking companies, someone's home. So I don't understand the real purpose of it. I really don't. But I downloaded the app and it was shit, is what I'm saying. So I'm selling the fucking stock. As soon as I get in profit, I'm out. That's it. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to look at it. I don't even hear the fucking name. It came from TSNPD at like pennies, man. 15 pennies maybe was like the lowest price we saw it. And some of us bought it. I didn't buy it. I was always skeptical. I could have made a lot of money on it, but I was always skeptical of it. And I still remain skeptical of it. The skepticism remains. Fucking SOS, man. Never moving off its price either.
Do that company even still exist?
Yeah, literally, dude. Does anybody even know about SOS anymore? All right, let's check these top gainers for the day. Let's check these gainers for the day.
Julie!
What's shaking, Julie?
How are you?
Good, good, good.
We made it through the weekend.
That's right. What about Sunlink Health, man? I've been seeing this as a banger, to be honest with you. It popped a couple. Let's see when. Let's see when it had a little poppage. I think this was this run up right here. Didn't really do too much after that though. Nothing interesting. Dude, this BTX better move, man. Now I'm starting to lose some money on it. This is gonna ping off the 61. I'm still only down 60 bucks. It's worth it to risk it for this goddamn biscuit. I want to see it, dude. I want to see you go back to 90.
I like biscuits.
I think, man, I would do some biscuits and gravy for breakfast. It's one of my favorite dishes,
Popeyes
man.
biscuits.
They don't have gravy, do they? It's not like a
Nah, they
breakfast style. Popeyes biscuits are good. They're a little buttery for my liking, but they're good.
I just
Feel like you clog a fucking artery after you're done, honestly. You're like, oh.
It's a heart attack on the plate.
Yeah, pretty much. Dude, these volume movers, man. Farmy's quickly becoming top of this list here. They should have, dude. It's going down, man. Going down. I mean, what are you going to do, man? You can tell when there's like a clear pointer. This is why it's so important to stick to resistance. Is because if you see a line that's hard, like a hard fucking line, like if you can't make a line out of, you're like, I don't know, technically resistance could be here, technically it could be here, technically it could be here. Don't worry so much. But if you see a hard one with like 5 caps on it where it just continuously hits that price and goes straight back down, what do you think is going to happen the next time? Like, come on, man. It's got to make another run for it, and it can't do it in consecutively like that. Eventually, it's just going to, you're going to get tired. It's like trying to bang a door down and you can't make it through after 4 or 5 times. You're going to be like, fuck it, man. I can't get through this door. We're going down. So it's kind of how resistance works. And the reason why it works like that is because that's how everybody has agreed that it works. Largely, the day is good, though. There's 3,900 advancers for 2,400 decliners. So it's pretty good day. It's a pretty green day so far. I expect that to turn around because that's how Friday started, right? Friday was a red day. Friday started with about 3,900 advancers and it ended with about, I think, 3,700 decliners, actually.
Thursday was a bad day. People were closing option contracts. Yeah. That's the worst day. But it's actually the perfect day where you could buy.
On a Thursday, you're saying?
Yeah, because when people start selling their option contract, the stock goes down.
Yeah, it's true.
It goes on a mini sale.
That's true.
You can either take advantage of it or just take profit and run.
Take your money out. Get the fuck out. Bitcoin, dude. No one was looking at Bitcoin. It was BTX, man. Not BTC. Woo! Hit that 60 mark and it pinged back up. Let's see if it's going to do it again. 61, 66. Let's go to the top, baby. Let's go to the top. We want this at $93, man, and we can do it. Let's check on our skills order. Man, it's not going down anymore. It's all right. It's all right. I got faith. Skills are going to go. 1678. It's $1.08 above my fucking buy price. We're getting skills.
I'm holding the option contract and skills.
Don't worry, man. We're getting skills. We are getting it. I want to buy more of this EDR too, to be honest with you. Fuck, dude. There's nothing like wilding out right now. That's just like absolutely. See, I like this. It's so much cleaner over here. Get this little bar chart look.
Why is it raining outside today?
Man, I don't know. It was beautiful yesterday. They knew it. They were like, man, we'll give you a gloomy day to sit inside and trade. You know what we absolutely have to get for lunch, though, this week, Chris?
A weather machine.
No, sashimi, man. Sashimi. We have to do it. I can't do it, man. I'm going to eat sashimi live on this podcast, right?
Why can't we buy a weather machine?
Podcast. The weather machine?
Yeah, we could buy one.
Man, I think the ancient aliens, or the government's the only one who's got it right now.
Control the weather.
You know, there's like a theory, I believe, that's like a conspiracy theory, of course. But it's a theory that there are like, there's weather machines at certain points in the world that like control the, I guess, the weather flow, the pattern of weather in some way to manipulate it for, the reason why I don't think that's true is because I think they would use that a little bit. They would be like, oh, we're going to put these wildfires out, man.
Just let it rain.
You said someone asked you about VXRT. Henry, oh shit. Yeah, man. Tell him to. He should have sold it. I don't know. Is he looking to buy it? That's the question.
Send the head for the hills.
Yeah, I wouldn't. They have a really high though, 24.90 comparatively to where they're at. But I wouldn't. I think they have. I think you can get it lower. VXRT, I think you can definitely get it lower. Like, look at this drop though.
I know someone who's holding it right now.
Pretty fucking fierce.
Actually, oh my God, is that the price he bought it at? $938.
That's what I'm saying, man.
He needs, yeah.
Could have cashed that shit out. I did. You did hear me say it multiple times though last week, right?
Yeah.
Even in the group chatty chat, I got it.
So
we gotta watch it, man. We gotta do it. Yeah, right. Ooh, there you go. There's an order right there for you, man. If you think, yeah, if you want to pick, if someone absolutely wants to pick this shit up. Like, you have to get in. There's no questions about it. I would do below 860, and I would do above 770. So whatever you're going to do with that, below 860, below 770. I know some of the guys I traded with have, like, weird numerology. Like, they can't even do a trade unless it's, like, a certain number, right? That's on them. That's fine. That's what they want to do. You can do. You might have the same thing. You might be like, oh, fuck it. I only trade numbers that are, like, for me, I will not trade a 950. I won't trade a 9, and I won't trade a 10. Any of those even numbers. It applies to everything. Same with 7, 750, 8. I don't do any of the flat ones. I always do 799. I always do 749, 751, or 801. I always do 1 or 2 pennies above it. Simply because I don't like that flat number. That flat number is very. Look at this Vaxxer, dude. This thing's got 27,000 buys at 930, dude. That's the price right there. I don't know fucking why that's the price. I'll tell you why that's the price, dude. Because it's probably like the resistance that they all set up in their head. I mean, kind of. Sometimes if you can't split a line here, if you can't like match these points right here, if these points can't match up, what you do is you kind of split the difference in them with meeting something else. So I think 930 that's the line of support everybody's chosen as like the even ground. Because sometimes it's not the lowest lows, right, all the time. It's like a general ground of where it's going. But dude, it filled a lot of that. Everybody shifted their order to 920 now. Dude, this is a full dog. This shit is going down. So yeah, below 860, above 770. That's what I would say. This fucking BTX, man. Go back up. Why are you just sitting around $63? It's all right. It's going to hit this 93. It's going to sell. I'm not even going to look at it. I got faith. Dude, UXIN is banging, man. This is a good one right here. For sure. It's at 322 right now. It was just at fucking $3 when we were looking at it. It's a good gain of, 7%.
For some weird reason, the market is starting to go down. just me.
No, it's moving downwards a little bit.
Yeah, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, even the Russell. That's not good. The Russell's going on. It's not good at all. But it's still early. So
Man, what are you gonna do? Let's see. The decline, they're still about the same. Advancers, decliners are about the same. So I'm trying to check on this UXIN, man. I'm trying to purchase more or some. I want to set up a good price though for it. 27, man. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, dude. That's a decent price, though, Henry. 5 was a good price. He had been holding it for a while. He should have cashed out that motherfucker when it was like 24.90, dude. This UXIN is running. God damn. Let me do a buy order on it. Let's see what we're going to scoop for. We're going to go right here. 315. $315, baby. All right. Put the order in. Dude, this UXIN is banging right now.
what price is that now? Okay.
Oh man, UXIN is banging, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna get that 315 price. Let's go BTX, coming back out. BTX, dude. Here you go, Henry. You want to buy something? Buy this UXIN. It's cheap. Try and get it a little bit cheaper than this, but
It's mixed right now. It's,
come on BTX, come on BTX.
I'm trying to wait and see what is gonna happen because right now it's like, you did. You got to get some more. You got it at the right fucking price, dude. Cause my, yeah. I know my brother just bought something. He's seen it dumping. He did. He bought 10 contracts. No, yeah, cause Bitcoin's only hovering at 58, 57. Yeah. I talked to him over the weekend. Oh, no, not this morning. Oh, he's not here yet. What time is he coming?
Oh man.
I'll be here. I will. I'm not trading out of. I'm not. All right, God. Okay. All right, God bless.
All right, baby, let's go. BTX, let's fucking go. 67. No, that's not good enough, man. We need a 90.
See, you put it in the chat that time, huh?
Yeah.
The pieces gonna see that. Oh, I'm gonna buy it.
They're going to see, man. They should. It's going up, dude. I don't even know if they're going to get it. Just at 58. That was a good fucking scoop, man. It's all right. I'm going to let it come down a little bit, dude. We should have scooped it this morning. It was at 292. All right, let's see. This UXIN, man, is a banger. I might have to set another order, too, for it. Might have to set another order for it, too. Oh, Dogecoin tapped over 40. Okay. Okay. That's what we like to see. You got to stay over 40 now.
You can buy Dogecoin at 40, 39, 38. Because when it hits that dollar, you won't regret it. Taco Bell.
Hmm.
I think I better cut this down.
What is that?
It's annoying.
The ring?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty
It's
loud.
annoying 'cause we on air. That's annoying.
It's pretty loud for sure.
Yeah, right? The old man ring. I can identify with that phone. That ring, actually, that ringtone. I can identify with it.
Come on, limit order. Come on, limit order. 325, baby. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy UXIN 325 on one account, 315 on another account. We'll fill it. We'll average out. We'll average out. Don't worry. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. This was a good call. UXIN was a good call, no doubt. Oh man, let's go, Henry. Did you get that VXRT? No, fuck it. Don't get VXRT. Don't do it. It's a little too late. It's a little too late. We're watching this UXIN though, man. This was a scoop and a half right here.
This week is earnings week for a lot of biopharmaceutical companies.
Which companies are having their earnings this week? Pfizer, I know.
Oh, yeah.
They're having their
They
earnings.
won't do any movements.
No, dude, they never do. Literally never do.
Actually, Pfizer have earnings tomorrow. Yes, CERS, Sirius Pharmaceutical has earnings tomorrow. Kathy Woodstock, of course.
Yeah, literally. CERS, you're saying?
CERS.
What did they do again? I don't remember what their company was. Fuck these analyst rating, dude.
Gotta be a good company. Especially if she's dumping money in it.
Yeah, right.
So, they go to end. There we go, right there. It engages in the research, development, and manufacture of biomedical and surgical products.
Oh yeah, it's blood shit, right?
Yeah,
That's what they
the
do.
firm
It's
produces
blood shit.
systems for platelets.
Got it. That's a
plasma.
good company. That's a good company, actually. So they have their earnings. That's why Sergio bought it. He was like, "Oh, let me buy it based on earnings." Bad idea, honestly. That's a risky fucking idea to do
Actually, they withdraw blood from me and use it for COVID vaccine.
Yeah, they get it from Uncle B, and
Yep.
then afterwards you get AIDS, and then you just. I'm just kidding. He doesn't have AIDS, guys. He's clean, for as far as I know. Man, my profits are swiftly dwindling. And see, humble, man. I was fucking profitable and humble. And now I'm not. Fucking piece of shit. UXIN, baby. Let's go. Fill this order.
You got an order set for it?
Yeah, I got 2 orders set for it. We're gonna buy it in my Thinkorswim. We're gonna buy it in Robinhood. Or no, actually, we're gonna buy it in E-Trade, and we're gonna buy it in Robinhood. I'm sorry. But this BTX, baby, come on. I see it. I see a $93 in my mind's eye. Hit 91 pre-market. Come on, man. Man, motherfuckers be texting me right now. It's terrible. Dude, this UXIN, man, who knows what we're going to get it at. Fuck, 360, man. That was a stellar move right there. It's looking like it wants to keep going up. Let's see what the word on the street is. The jungle beats, the stock twits of the world. What the stock twits of the world are saying about it. 'Cause, you know, those guys actually, they drive stocks up. They do. There's no doubt. It's a big community. It's a little bit larger than I think a lot of people think.
It's like Reddit.
Yeah. It's pretty big. I mean, it's similar to Reddit. Yeah. I think probably a lot of the Redditors use stock twits as well. What do you mean, dude? Everybody's pumping it on fucking stock twits. Like the same thing they do lately. Taking to the moon, he says. Get out of here. It's like, that's the problem with it, honestly, is like everybody's just like, it's just like stupid fucking gifts like this, or send this shit to 4. It's really creepy when people are like guys who like impersonate girls. You know, it's like, this is like a girl, but like really they're a guy. You know what I'm saying?
Catfish.
Exactly. Like, why are you trying to make yourself look like you're something you're not? You know. Like, I'm not saying about like I'm not saying anything about transgender. What I'm saying is like, if you're not that human being, why are you using that human being as a representation of yourself? You see what I'm saying? Either way, man, it's going up. I might just change my shit to fucking market order, man. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. That's a bad move.
Yeah.
That's how you get greedy.
Once you do that, the stock just takes
That's how
a dump.
you get greedy, man. That's how you get greedy. Yeah, right.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna buy it at the high, exactly. So, you definitely should have bought this at market open though this morning. It's up a good amount, man. 15% from that point. Oh man, EDR. Come on, baby. Let's see what CCIV is up to these days. Buy side imbalance. What about G-Box, man? How's G-Box doing? By the way, G-Box I think is a good company to buy and hold for a long time.
They're trading at $10.
10.74. Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I think it's a good company to hold for a little bit though. Their volume is fucking weak right now, really fucking weak. But
they're good for options, if you ask me.
they have good options.
Good for options.
Let's check what these options chain looks like. It's kind of small though.
Yeah, that's what I love about it.
Small options chain. What's the IV look like on them? Pretty fucking high, to be honest with you too. That's not bad. High IV, high payout.
See them there? That's why I like the option. You can ride it, jump out. Ride it, jump out.
True.
And then you get hit with pattern day trading. And then you can ride us down. Oh, any clips?
You what? All right, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Where are we going to go with this? What else are we going to buy? What else are we going to buy? Let's see this fucking Doge, baby. All day. All day Bombay. All day Bombay, baby. Let's see this Doge scoop, baby. Come on. Come on, hit that 4. Hit it. That's so fucking close. Dude, it's so fucking close, man. Like, how is it even trade? There we go. It cracked it. It cracked it. All right. Let's go. 41. Don't reject the 40 line. No, it's rejecting it. It's rejecting it, bro. It says, no can do, brother. It says, we don't like that shit. No, man. We need to get this 40. Oh, it's moving now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. See, Robinhood goes even further with their like decimal point. Jesus Christ. They're 0, 0, 0. Weeble's only got 4. Robinhood's got 6. Oh, shit, man. Come on, baby, take me to the promised land.
Okay. I see the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq making it move back up to a positive. Exactly what I want to see.
Exactly.
Just realize I got 4 options open. 4 different
When do they
colors.
expire? Any expiring this week or
Oh
no?
no. May 28th, May 21st, and June around there. Somewhere in June. Option contracts. I'm trying to squeeze every dime out of that company. Skills, Ring Energy, Nanodynamics, and Cirrus Pharmaceuticals.
Oh man,
Or should I just call it Kathy Wood Pharmaceuticals?
Kathy Woods Pharma.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what it stands for, honestly. Come on, UXIM, baby. Hit that 360. Dude, it just hit its new 52-week high today. This was a fucking great call there, Adam. Great fucking move, brother. Okay, so I adjusted my UXIN order on my Robinhood. We got it at 350. We have that one. We still have the other one in the Thinker or E-Trade holding out for 315. We're gonna get that low fucking price, baby. Dude, this Dogecoin, man, come on, baby. She can't stay over 40 for too long. We read it to get to 41 cents. What's the high though?
For Dogecoin?
Yeah. 46 cents, 46.51. That's the 52-week high.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I don't know about today. It's only six and a half pennies away. Yeah, we're gonna hold, man. I think this UXIN, I see a lot of good potential upside into it, honestly. I feel like it can go down a little bit, and it probably will before it goes up higher, but I like that it just hit its 52-week high. That's a slick move for me. That means good things are coming. Ew, I'm not buying a fucking option on this. Why is this showing up? BTX, baby, 70 bucks. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah, baby. Now we in the profit. $4 up. Can't say
Now you can feed your family.
Yeah, right. Don't worry, man. Don't worry, brother. We got a sell order at 93. I believe it's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit the $73 order, man. There's no doubt. CERS, man. Skills, dude. It's just not going to go low enough for me to get that 1669. Was as low as it went? Really?
Yeah, it's just hovering.
1669. I need 1570, man. Come on. It's going to do it, dude. I'm going to get the 1570. Maybe today. Maybe not today.
Maybe never.
Yeah, could be never. I hope it's not. That would be shitty. Okay. Okay.
Actually, this is a Kathy Wood stock too. I just thought about it.
Which one?
Skills.
Yeah, Skills of Kathy Woodstock too, of course. That's one of her favorites. Maybe not her favorites. I don't know about her personal opinion. She's like, I love this one the most. It's my favorite stock.
Jerry Bruckheimer sits on the board.
Who?
Jerry Bruckheimer.
He's like the movie guy?
Yep.
Oh.
You guys got enough money. I guess they ain't got nothing else better to do with it.
Yeah, I wonder what his net worth is.
Oh my god.
Probably not cheap, you know? Let's see. Jerry Bruckheimer net worth.
To be continued.
He has a net worth of $1 billion, man. Nice. Big money maker.
Oh, you right behind me?
I don't know how they estimate. Yeah. He's in the Tres Comas club.
What do you do with that money?
If it were me, I'd spend it.
You think guys like that got ATM cards? Nah.
I don't know. Probably not. They probably use credit cards and they just transfer from their bank account to
I know that Oprah doesn't have an ATM card.
Yeah, I mean, why would they, dude? Like, how? Because think about it. How much can you pull out from an ATM? $1,000.
If that.
That's what I'm saying. Some of them are like $500. If it's your own bank, usually you might be able to pull out like more. But realistically, if you're that well, if you're a billionaire, what are you gonna do with $1,000? You know what I'm saying? You're like, oh shit, I forgot to tip my valet driver. You know, so you get him $1,000. If you're a billionaire and you don't tip people like $1,000, you're a fucking asshole. Honestly, think about how much money you have. You're like, oh, I can't afford to be tipping people $1,000 everywhere I go. Like very literally, you're like the only people who can tip people $1,000.
Someone $1,000 everywhere they go. It wouldn't even put a dent.
That's what I'm saying. Listen, if I'm ever a billionaire, mark my fucking words. You guys can dig this up when I'm old. Any person that I come across that does a service for me, I will tip you $1,000. $1,000. Probably by the time I'm old, $1,000 not gonna be shit. But whatever, man. I'm not changing it now. You're getting fucked. Sorry, it's inflation did it, not me. But this man BTX took a dump again. Go back above 70, man. What the fuck? Should have closed my position out, reopened it. No, we got to watch this EDR too, man. That's the Endeavor Group Holdings. It's 21. It needs to hit it, baby. Needs to hit it. Need to hit a high.
This ADVM, man, it's not looking good for us.
Why? What happened?
It's back at 386.
Oh, okay. That's okay. It's 427. I thought you meant there was some news that came, some new news. We're like, actually, the guy who lost his eye, he's fucking dead now.
No,
Tenant reinstated buy at Goldman Sachs. Adverum downgraded. Fuck.
$5.
Everybody's downgrading this shit.
Yeah. They'll upgrade when that guy has a
What price did I buy it at? Let's go to this trade.
4. Guaranteed.
Ooh,
you bought
476. Yeah, that's a terrible price, dude.
Yeah. I got $4.76 in my pocket if you need it.
Yeah, dude. If you can give that to me times 360, then I'll be even. We'll be. Cause I got 360 of these bad boys. Also, what are you doing with change in your pocket, man?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
76 cents.
Actually, I have. Well, you would have got gypped, dude. I have exactly in my pocket, ladies and gentlemen, 50 cents.
Oh man, you can't even give me the full 476. I gotta sell this shit at a discount now.
50 cents. And
I'm getting fucked. Oh, there we go. Downgrades. SVB Leerink downgraded the previous rating of outperform to market perform. Okay, for the fourth quarter. That's not really a terrible downgrade.
This quarter is 1992.
Adverum Biotechnologies had an EPS of 39 compared to a year ago. That's not bad. Their EPS is going up.
This is when you know you need glasses when you use your phone camera just to see the dates on a quarter.
Yeah. Unless it's a really old quarter, then it's like hard to see it. You know what I'm saying? Dude, this Adverum Biotech. You know, ADVM had a high of 26.98. It's fucking insane, to be honest with you.
Yeah, there's no data on this one.
Yeah. I feel that, man.
1987?
I don't know. Either way, we're going back to the Weeble. We're going back to the ADVM, EDRs of the world.
Oh,
How is this
1999.
UXIN doing? It's dropping? Dude, I have faith this shit is gonna go. What is its high? UXIN's high. Dude, the EDR is not moving. It doesn't want to move up, man. It's like
And
holding.
this quarter's 1993.
93?
Yeah, look.
3 years after I was born. Yeah, it's an oldie. That's probably why it's hard to see, though. Oh, no. You couldn't see the 93? Is that the part, or what part couldn't you see?
No, it was this one.
Oh, 99.
Yeah. You know what?
Dude, they last, man.
Times have changed. Because I'm looking at these 1999, 1993 quarters. I remember in 1987, I was picking up quarters. I had quarters, you know, when I was in the 80s.
Yeah.
High school, they were like 1960.
Oh, my God, dude.
1970.
I know, now they're, like, rare to find it like that.
Yeah, you know.
It'd be hard enough to find a quarter that old.
Imagine if I would have kept those quarters.
Because I wonder what they do. I wonder if they, like, take them out of circulation. You know what I'm saying? Like, if they, like, buy something and, like, if they just, like, when they acquire large amounts of quarters at the banks that are old, like, after a certain date, do you think they just, like, take them back, melt them down, and make new quarters out of
I
it?
would think. Because this 1993 quarter looks like, damn, this is the year I started dating this girl named Rochelle, 93. So when I was on that date with this girl, I probably had this quarter in my pocket.
Damn.
Think about it. This quarter's been through hell.
It's an old quarter, brother.
Yeah. Even a guy on the quarter looks sad.
It's a sad day for the quarter, man.
And ADVM is continue to drop.
All right. Let's check out AccuGen, dude. AccuGen's banging it out right here.
Yeah,
This
it
would have been a
popped up on my
scoop.
scanner. Right along with a bunch of other stocks.
Yeah, dude. 1383 this morning. It's a nice mover.
Oxygen, OCGN, is that
Mhm.
15 now, right?
That's right.
Yep.
423, dude. This 13 could have scooped it again. When right here, 9. Yikes.
What gets you tomorrow?
That's it, Julie.
Really, Julie?
That's it, I'm now working from home.
Oh man.
Oh.
Because sir told me you bothered them lot, that's why we are not making money.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Get out of here,
No
Julie.
problem, I gonna work from home, that's it.
Come on, Julie.
That was
All right, have a good day. Bank of America Global Research advocated for caution in a Monday report titled Inching Toward Euphoria amid a rebound from the COVID-19 pandemic that has sent one indicator to a 13-year peak. All right, well, fuck that indicator, man. Not worried about that. Yeah, this OCGN is banging, man. It is
Yeah.
banging. You know what I need to start getting? Bags of sunflower seeds, man. To be honest with you.
Bags of sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
I'm just
Keep
curious
it.
what made you bring that up.
You know, that is a curious question, right? Like, 'cause it kind of came out of nowhere. The
Yeah.
reason why I want sunflower seeds, I feel like it'll give me something to like do while I'm sitting. Like, I'm normally kind of like a fidgety person in some regard, not like, you know, super fidgety, but I like to be in motion. I got a lot of energy I like to expel.
Oh wow.
Dude, this RHE is fucking
You
banging.
want to have
My God.
some weird news from Market Watch?
What's that?
A court in India threatens to punish government officials over oxygen failures.
They should, dude.
Yeah.
Because like a lot of things are happening in India right now. From what I'm hearing, I mean, like I don't live over there, so I'm obviously don't have any firsthand knowledge. But I hear that like they're running out of oxygen, and a lot of different like officials are starting to sell their oxygen or sell whatever oxygen tanks that they have, like
Oh my
at
God.
premiums, you know, because they know that people need it. So there's a lot of shit going on. Not only that, I heard that they're like faking their COVID tests a lot of the time.
So you selling oxygen?
Yeah, that's right. That's right, dude. Can you imagine that? You're selling fucking air. But I mean,
Now you know
it makes
times
it
are
makes a
getting
little
bad
bit of
now.
sense, you know.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
You can do it.
Selling air. Huh. Well, they sell water.
That's true. You gotta sell water, you know.
Yeah. Selling air. I find that very disturbing.
Yeah.
Get your air, get your fresh air. Are they auctioning off air? They gotta stop that, dude. That's ridiculous. Take out a loan to buy air.
I know. Can you imagine?
Yeah, going to the bank. What are you purchasing? I want to buy some air. Check his credit.
They're like, all right, you gotta. They sell you some of the shitty air because you have bad credit. They're like, all right, sell them some of the dirty air. They're like,
Look at that.
man,
It's like a car dealership, dude.
yeah, right.
We got the used air section and we got the brand new air section.
Listen, sir, your credit is way too bad to hop in this fucking Range Rover. But let me take you over to this nice Volvo that we have. You can get into. That's how it's gonna be with air one day. You're gonna be walking in, they're gonna be like, "Oh, sir, this pure air credit rating is not suitable to purchase this." So
We got ghetto air for you.
yeah, we got the underpass air. We got the lower whacker air.
There you go.
You know, lower whacker is like how it's got its own fucking smell.
Yeah.
It's like kind of
It
gross.
has its own community.
It does have its own community, a strong community. Dude, look at this regional health. I don't know what's happening. I don't understand. I can't put my fucking hands around it. RHE regional health, dude, it's up almost 100%.
Get out.
1420, yeah, it's up 97% right now. Their market cap is $24 million, dude. So you're telling me it came from nearly 12 before? Like,
That fast?
I mean, that's a low market cap. Why do they double like that? They're going to be like, oh, there's news that they said they released a new toenail clipper. Like, it's like these companies, like, they bang.
A new toenail clipper.
That's what I'm saying.
Operated by air.
Right. It's an air-operated toenail clipper. It's like a...
Hydraulic.
Yeah,
too.
it's like...
A pneumatic too.
Yeah, exactly. It's like plug it into your compressor, your air compressor. Oof, oof, oof. Benzinga has been downgraded.
It's like air's the new subject of today, y'all.
It's airy. Recently viewed. Let's go.
There you go. G-Box is at $11.15. Nice.
Come on, BTX, make another run. Dude, I know this stock is going to make a run up today. I got a feeling this BTX is going to make a fucking run to 90, baby. Run to 90. I have no doubts. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Dude, I can't believe that was it. Julie's out. Like that.
She's working from home.
Like a boner in sweatpants. Like a deaf kid in musical chairs. She's out. It's my favorite one, dude. I heard that when I was a kid. Somebody said that. They're like, I'm out like a deaf kid in musical chairs. I'm like, oh, shit. It's a little mean to the deaf kid, but I understand the reference. I understand why he would be out. You can't hear when the music stops, brother. That's so bad, but so funny at the same time.
Poor deaf kid.
Yeah. We're not laughing at you. We're laughing with you.
Well,
Yeah, that's...
you could hear.
If he's laughing, yeah. Make sure he's laughing, too.
There's gotta be a hand gesture for laughing.
Yeah, there is like this, I think.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, things like this, right? I don't know. If somebody knows it, I think that's how you laugh in sign language. I'm not certain, though, to be honest with you. I'm not a...
I would think, yeah. Just don't throw that up in the wrong neighborhood.
Yeah, right. Like gang, gang.
Yeah.
Hmm. Dude, this 80 VM, brother, I jumped a little too hot and heavy into it.
Misjudged the jump.
Misjudged it. Misjudged it.
That's okay. It happens to the best of us. Yes, skills is suffering. They're on a straight downtrend. Look at this.
How down, man? Am I going to get my order here?
It's 1686.
Woo! Let's go, Skills! Let's go, Skills! Let's go, baby! 1686. I got my shit set at 1570.
Yep, 1686.
Let's go, baby.
You know what, Chris? If it hits your price, I'm gonna buy an option at that price. And just play it with my other option. So when they both get in the money, I'll buy us a case of Red Bull. Fair enough?
That's fair, man. Honestly, thinking about taking a little break and going to get a Red Bull right now. I'm a little tired, man. I was up late last night, you know. I was up late this whole weekend. Bike ride, dude. EDR, baby. 29. 29. This is, yeah, boy was watching movies all weekend. TVs.
Yes. I didn't even decide to look at a chart. But I
Sometimes
did watch the news. Kramer.
Dude, EDR, man. Come on. It's got to bang it, baby. It's going to bang it. I see EDR, $80. Easily. $80. I see. They got a fucking ridiculous market. $20 billion, man. Good for them. Good for them. G-Box making those moves, too.
I see that.
This BTX, man. I might get killed on it. It's alright. I'll cut it at $100. I'll risk it for the biscuit. $100, no problem. What are we gonna do if it hits?
Check this out.
What do you got? What do you see?
Verizon sells internet trailblazers Yahoo and AOL to a private equity firm for $5 billion.
They said we're done with you, AT&T.
Wow.
Wait, what sold what?
They sold Yahoo and AOL.
I can't believe that even drew $5 billion. Like, I could see more so from Yahoo's end, but like, fucking AOL. Who the hell uses AOL anymore? Is the
It's gonna
AOL?
affect my Yahoo finance.
Let's even go to AOL. No, they're gonna be fine. It's probably gonna be
Saying,
like
man.
they'll probably keep the same brand. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I didn't even know if AOL still exists. Isn't that like dial-up?
That it used to be America Online was like a form of internet,
Yeah.
but I think after that dial-up connection was rendered useless by like
Everybody.
fucking DSL and then just whatever the modern form of internet we have now. But they still have like they have this like AOL. I don't know what it's called. It's just like a fucking media page,
Is that
you
the
know?
is that the
It's just like all these
is
like
that the
look at this.
logo with the guy that's yellow that's always running?
No, that is. I think that's Yahoo, right?
No, that's AOL, isn't it?
AOL. I don't know. That's a good question. Oh yeah, that's
there
right.
you
The
go,
Running
yeah,
Man.
The yellow man.
You're right. You're right. That is. Dude, I remember when we used to get free like discs of like internet in
There
the
you
fucking
go,
mail.
yeah.
It'd be like 1,000 free hours or something like
How
that.
old are you again?
31.
And you remember that?
Yeah, we would get them in the mail, dude. I was a techie back when I was a kid, dude. I liked the computer. You know, we had a computer when I was young.
I remember
But-
my first computer we had at home. It was a Commodore VIC 20.
Oh shit, I never even heard of that, dude.
Yeah, dude. Commodore VIC 20.
Let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like.
And the only reason why my dad bought it for us because we was in Catholic private school, and believe it or not, a lot of people may not believe this, but I think it's really weird. But when we was in Catholic school, we didn't really write. We didn't use
Type?
pencils or pens, anything like that, because all of our classes, all of our work was done on an Apple computer in class.
Oh shit. That back in the day?
Yeah.
Damn.
My math
That's
homework,
fucking that's some next level shit. I like that.
our English home, I remember it to this day, dude. And
We had a dude, one of my first papers I typed up on a typewriter. We used to have a typewriter when I was a kid before I had a computer.
right.
And I typed that up on a typewriter. And I think I didn't really have to. We had computers back in those days, but my
Yeah.
family was old school.
In class, we had to do all our work was on our math, our reading, our English, social study was on an Apple computer. And when I set up my desk, the computer was sitting right in front of me.
That's how it is, man. Each person had your own fucking desk.
That's your own computer. on it.
God damn, dude.
Our Lady
Y'all
of
must have
Westside
played. Your
Catholic
dad must
School.
have paid out the nose for that fucking school, man.
Our Lady of Westside Catholic School. I would never forget that.
That's a lot of shit right there. Yeah, each student had their own fucking. Okay.
Yeah, and we had this nun. Her name was Mrs. Howard. She would always walk past us and make sure everybody was on their right subjects.
Yeah. Oh shit! Here's what we're doing here. So UXIN, dude, this is a good scoop right here. I got this other order set for $315. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, but
That's what you call higher education.
I don't know. I think I can get the $315 order. To be honest with you,
On what?
this UXIN, man.
What the
I
hell?
think I can
What's
get it.
wrong with skills?
It's still dropping. Skill's still dumping off. 1688, baby. It needs to go a little bit further. 1681 was its low. Fucking BTX is getting eaten down too.
In the market right now is the play with the market is like Biden and Harris playing with the weather machine.
Ha. So let's see. What do I got to sell this at to lose $100
If it snows
bucks?
in May, they're playing with the
Alright,
weather
divided
machine.
by. So $11 loss, so $59. I have to close this out. Let's close it out at $59. Oh, fuck, I already have a limit order set up. That's why. Jesus Christ.
I already
Like you
ordered
can't
the
sell
card
more
already.
than you have. I'm like, I'm pretty sure I have 9 shares. What
Actually,
the fuck?
Hafiz did that.
What?
He sold more than he had.
How did he do it?
I have no idea. That's when he had to call TD Ameritrade to straighten it out. I was shocked that it actually went through.
Literally. Oh man.
That one slipped through the cracks.
Well, shit, guys. I'm gonna keep the stream rolling, but I'm going to be muting the mic and taking a little break. Maybe a 7 to. You know what? I'll probably be back in less than 7 minutes. What is it? It's 9:47. So I'm gonna give myself till 50, 54. The longer I'm talking, the shorter it's gonna be. So.
Apple App Store goes on trial.
Oh man, and we're back. We got a little bit of this liquid gold. The Red Bull.
Liquid nitrogen, boy.
Liquid nitrogen. Freeze my ass off. I got some of these little Mexican fucking things too, but they suck, honestly. These mentacatadas, I don't know. Mentecadas. They're dry as a fucking fart, man.
It's like eating cotton.
I'm gonna call this bimbo company up. You know why? Because they expire in like 2 weeks.
Oh.
And I'm pretty sure this shit probably stays good for like a whole year.
Caught it at the tail end of it.
Literally.
You would pay for that.
Mm-hmm. But I hope you don't mind shitting your pants. Like, no, I do not. Come on, man. I'm getting dick down on my, oh my God. My UXIN, I'm down $150 on right now. I bought it at a high price, $350, a little high. However, the good news is I have a bigger order set for 1,000 of them. At $315, baby. And we're 5 cents away. Give me that 15. Give me my 1,000 UXIM, motherfucker. EDR is at $30, brother. It's going up. This is what we like to see.
Uh-oh. Skills is at $16.55.
Keep going. Keep going down, dude. It needs to. $15.70. This is it, man. This is how I'm going to make my money in the stock market, Chris. Cheap orders only, brother. Low, cheap orders. It's an absolute must.
Penny stocks.
Not even penny stocks. Just when Skills was at 18, I set an order for 15. It was like 18 something, almost 19. I set an order for 15.70. See, look, Tilray is going down. I don't know if that's just because of the market, but I'm pretty certain.
Oh, it's on a downtrend, though.
Yeah, because they acquired APHA. So that's what I was saying earlier in the stream.
APHA should be up there.
APHA got delisted. They totally merged, I think.
Oh, wow. So, Tilray would be a good buy. That means it's on sale.
Dude, AcuJon rocking the way here in terms of volume, most active. Big boy, they overtook Fami, whatever.
Yeah.
Naked brands, dude. Oof, bleeding. Sundial too, man. I can't fuck with Sundial. They have like the biggest volume ever, and they're just like they don't move for shit unless it's down. Dude, VXRT. Yikes. 889. Anybody who didn't sell that at 11 is crying right now. No doubt.
Remember that guy I told you who had so much money on it, he could fund an island off of
Yeah.
it?
Well, you can fund a smaller island now.
He could probably buy him a garage.
Yeah, garage. He hit the Home Depot section checking out sheds
Yeah.
right now. He's like, "Ooh, someone got a window? I can get that still."
Move his family into it.
Yeah. Man, I'm telling you. All right, dude. Let's see. This is a good banger right here.
NASDAQ is taking a nosedive.
It is, that's what I'm saying. The decliner and advancer list is starting to switch up. 3,400 advancers to 2,700 decliners.
Literally
Let me put that
taking a nosedive.
NASDAQ one in. How do I see it? Institutional Holdings Heat Map, IPO Center Index Chart. Let's see the index chart. That's where it is. Yeah, NASDAQ is diving down, man.
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's without a life jacket.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's check these advancers and these decliners. I think they'll start to shift up. I think it's gonna go. I think the market's gonna close down a little bit red today.
On May.
Ah.
Not good.
Mm-mm.
Not good at all.
Not good at all.
But
Not
actually,
at all.
It's your favorite companies are on sale. Just like your favorite pair of Jordans.
Yeah, that's the perk, right? If
Yeah.
you see something that you really like, now is the fucking time to buy it.
It's on sale.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you want a pair of retro 13s, playoff version, black and white, one of my all-time favorites.
The retro 13s, he says.
And you see it on sale, and you see it for $300. Now it's on sale. Not 185, but 200.
Let's see. We'll give him a
Playoff version.
You said playoff version?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know there was a
13 playoff
difference.
version. Yes, let's get this correct.
All right, we'll show him.
Bam,
We'll
there
show
you
him
go.
what it
Look
looks
at it.
like.
Oh
Here we
my
go.
God, those are so
These
sexy,
these
dude.
black ones right here.
Yeah,
This leather.
Those are so sexy, baby.
Dude, there's some sharp shoes. So what's the difference between the white and the black ones? Just a different color variation?
This He Got Game. You ever see that movie He Got Game with Denzel
Oh
Washington? That's
yeah,
the
yeah.
shoe.
That movie came out in 2018. No, it didn't.
No, that's just.
Oh, I
the shoe
got
came
you.
out, yeah.
I was like, what the?
The shoe came out before 2018.
Yeah,
It's just a
I got
reboot
you.
of the shoe.
I got you.
That shoe they don't make anymore.
This one right here, or this one
That
right here.
That
Yeah.
one.
So where can you get them now?
Actually, I got 2 pairs. I'll bust a pair out this summer.
Oh yeah, rock them, dude, rock
I
them.
have to. I'll bust a pair out this summer.
Sneaky. Sneaky.
And
Oh shit! If it's not the
Grace us
man,
with his present.
yeah. There we
How you
go.
feeling?
Hafiz, brother.
Chilling, man. I screwed up this morning, bro.
What happened?
I got into Mara and Ryan contracts, man.
You did?
Mara contracts.
Thinking that Bitcoin is going up over the weekend. I thought maybe I'll start making some money on those contracts and I'll cash out $200. Fuckers went the opposite way from the start.
Yeah, my brother sent me a message. He bought it. He said, man, it's just like Superman just took a nosedive.
I got into that UXIN,
Yeah.
what is it?
The one he
315,
320.
320. Nice.
look at it, man.
Actually, VXRT also.
The Nasdaq just took a nosedive. Look at that.
Man, I was up this morning, but I made some stupid moves, man. I should have never got into Riot. I should have never got into Mara this morning.
Dude, those are hard ones to get into, right? I would say, to be honest with you, what I have noticed from like Mara and Riot is Monday is a bad opening day for them. You want to see how the week is transitioning. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, I've noticed that their Monday performance is like widely unpredictable.
Because don't forget, crypto, Bleeding Tuesday.
Yeah.
How was your weekend, young man?
Good, man. That's my birthday, man.
That's what
Today's your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Happy! Let's go, bro. I don't know it was your birthday.
Oh,
man.
shit.
Thanks, man.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
I think the only one's birthday I didn't know
It
it
started
was.
at midnight last night.
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Actually, your birthday doesn't really come about until you know exactly what time you were born.
7:45 p.m.
Well, you're not born yet.
7:45.
What happened? I didn't either. It was PM or AM. I don't even know. When is Aziz's birthday? I know it's somewhere around here.
It was the 6th, I think.
Right?
Yeah,
Oh,
the
May?
6th or the 5th. Yeah, 6th, yeah.
This is close, too.
That means
Well-
you're not born yet, dude. So why are you even shaking your hand?
Man.
Right now, you don't even exist.
Yeah, you're still not in existence,
41
bro.
years ago, I didn't exist yet.
No, yeah, man, you don't exist now.
Did you guys see HCM? Oh man, I did so many bowls last night. Obviously, I can't do it right now, but I did so many of them last night.
Yeah.
Starting 10 o'clock, I just kept going at it. Even today, when I'm done, I'm doing bowls after bowls.
What,
man.
HCMC pumping?
Yeah. Like no tomorrow.
You're saying HCMC, man. Let's check out this little micro boy. So these fuckers are riding HCMC. I think it's a bullshit stock, but there's money to be made, to be honest with you.
You think it's a bullshit stock?
100% I think it's a
Remember that video
bullshit
I was
stock.
playing?
That guy, fuck that guy, man. I mean, he had
see his
more
followers?
he had more followers than me.
This video started pumping.
You see his followers, dude?
105 years old. He's been streaming longer than I've been alive.
Yeah.
Streaming before Christ.
Yeah. He had a direct line on a public access network when I was a kid.
Dial up.
Oh, man. It's a slow day, but we got into some good positions, dude. That EDR is really paying off right now. It's up 10%. Dude, I got in at 25 bucks. It's at 30 right now. That was a banger. That was a banger. This UXIN, baby. 315. Let's go. Let's go.
You bought it at what?
315. I got two different orders on it. I got 350. I got like 300 shares at 350 in one account, and then I got 1,000 at 315.
So you bought it. So you're in market right now.
Right now I'm at market, yeah. It's okay. I'm going to let it ride out, baby.
It's a good one to hold.
Ride out. But this fucking EDR is a nice one, dude. I'm up almost $500 on that one. You know which one is not a nice one? I'm gonna fucking tell you. ADVM. Yeah, UXIN is a good one, dude. We went over this one this morning in the stream. It's basically what UXIN is like the Carvana of
So what price? Okay.
China. 315. 315 is the price, my friend.
You know what? ADVM might have some good news coming, bro.
They do.
They had terrible news earlier
They're gonna hit too.
that they have to like retroact, you know.
So how's he getting UXIN?
I don't know. I haven't talked to Sarji this morning.
He's on a hold.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But it's the main man Hafiz's birthday today, dude. That's amazing. What are you doing tonight? Obviously, probably not much with Ramadan.
By the time I get done, it's 9:30, 10. Because food time is 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
So today, basically, my in-laws, they said, oh man, we're going to treat you for some food. So they're probably going to order food at their house. I'm just going to go there, eat. I can't get out over there.
Damn.
So I'm like, hey guys, I got to go home. My wife knows my problem. She's going to be like, oh, he's going to eat and then he has to go home, you know?
Yeah.
You know, he has to take a dump.
Yeah, that's
excuse to
exactly.
use, you know?
Yeah, right.
So I rush home and then I do the bowl, man.
That's how you do it, man. So honestly, it's not a bad call.
No, it's not.
That's how you do it, man. Feast, dude. I was telling Chris, I had like this biggest stroke of luck, dude, last night. In terms of, I mean, it wouldn't be like the most amazing thing that's ever happened, right? But like, dude, I was down to my last nitty gritty, like a bit of weed, right? So I packed my last packs. I'm like, girl, like, hey, we're gonna walk to 7-Eleven, we'll smoke the last packs, call it fucking night. You know, and I already hit Omar up for more. So he's like, you know, he told me about this week, right? Dude, we're walking down the street. I fucking cross this, like on the street, I like see this bag. I pick it up.
Whoa.
Motherfucking. Dude, as I'm smoking my last packs, man, I found an entire fucking bag of weed sitting on the ground.
The weed gods smiled.
Weed guys watching you.
Yeah, he was like, brother, I got you, don't worry.
Whoa, did you try it?
Yeah, it was okay. I wouldn't say it's excellent stuff. That's what I'm smoking right now. I haven't picked up, but fuck. Man, if you guys heard that, that was a stroke of luck.
You know what shit happens? I've dropped it.
It does. You get out of a car and that shit, but I just figured, I'm like, how random my ass finds this shit. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I'll tell you a true story about this. You know, back in the days, they used to have those dime bags, right?
Yeah, the little baby boys.
So I am 14 years old. I'm working at my brother's gas station on 75th and State, okay? I have no idea what weed is, okay? Because I moved to the U.S. when I was 10, okay? All I did was went to elementary school. I don't know what weed is, you know?
Right.
I didn't barely speak English. I get out of the station, I see just 4 or 5 bags like these on the floor. So I'm sleeping a lot. I didn't know what it was. I picked it up. I looked at it. I didn't open up the Ziploc bag. I just looked at it. I thought, this is some fucking garbage that somebody dumped it in the garbage. And then a couple hours later, I was talking to one customer. I said, hey man, I was just walking around. Oh no, I was talking to one customer. He pulled out his money. And when he put his money on top, his dime bag came out. So I saw it, and then he grabbed it, he put it back in his pocket. I said, hey, what was that? And I go, it was a dime bag. You know, the guy was like, hey, what's in this? He's like, oh, this is weed. You know, this is drugs. You smoke drugs? I said, man, I found a whole bunch of them out on the floor. That motherfucker jumped in the garbage can with that shit, man. He jumped in the garbage can. I was like, what the fuck did I do?
Dude, because back in the day when it was illegal, think about how hard it was to get.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Dime
saying?
bag was what, $10? That was at least a $50 worth of stuff that I threw away.
Yeah, and he probably was like,
excited when you said
that's what
that.
I'm saying, and it's hard to get. Ooh, this UXIN is fucking dipping, bro. It's okay. It's okay. We'll let it ride down. See, ladies and gentlemen, this is why you hold out. This is why you hold out for
Now
a
I
good
learned
price.
one thing, never when the market opens and it starts pumping, I'm never jumping in.
No,
Because that's when you get.
can't do it, man. You can't do it. You either got to be on the train already or you just got to let it pass you. You know, you got to wait for the next one. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, you do.
Like, you don't want to hop on at the fucking end, dude. You're going to get fucked up. But you know what? This is exactly why you hold out for your fucking order. This is exactly why you hold out for your price.
Train to Busan, baby.
Yeah, train to Busan, dude. I fucking got mine filled at $3.15, whatever. I'm down 6 cents now. I don't give a shit. Or 6 pennies on per share. Like, that's fine. However, I bought another one at $3.50 because I just couldn't take it, man. I saw it going and going and going to $3.60. I said, fuck it. Let me change my order to market. Fill it at $3.50. I'm disgusted with myself, to be honest with you.
Punk ass is live right now?
What's punk ass live, man? You
How
see
the
this?
fuck do I know
You
your
see this
face
red
is-
dot up here? Bro, I'm live
Yeah,
every
where's
morning.
your face on the screen? Your black ass ain't on the screen right now.
We in the bottom right here. You see this little area we got? This is carved out. This is like the Stream Deck, Stream Labs. This is how we figure it out. How we do the reviewsals. What about CCIV is taking a little.
I didn't know. That's why I'm like, wait, who is he talking to? Is he going crazy today? Is
Man,
he yapping over there looking at the
just
computer?
non-stop, dude. We've been chatting with the mic. Making love with the mic this whole
How many
time, bro.
watchers you got right now?
How many watchers? I had 3 right now.
Right now, what's up, y'all?
Yeah, Hafiz saying birthday boy back there. You can see him. You can see him. He look a little browner than usual. I don't know. He hit the. I don't know. He hit the tanning bed for his birthday.
I gotta find out exactly.
Dude, V.
Exactly 10 o'clock.
Let's get in this BTX. Hafiz, you see that BTX, bro? Remember when I was calling from last week? When it went from 29 to 59 or 57?
Sure.
It's at 64 right now. It hit 90 in pre-market. I got in at like $68.
Where's it at now?
64. We're holding that shit. Watch. I'm gonna ride this bitch to $90. I got a limit order set at $93, dude. I'll fucking cancel.
Sell?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got faith, dude. I got the faith. It hit $80 right in the morning and pinged back down on no clear resistance. So it's like not really a solid place for it to drop. Didn't really make that much sense aside from maybe just people trying to take their fucking profit while they can.
I got into CER.
Dude, Dogecoin, by the way. CRS, that's what Sarge was saying. It's some Cathy Woods company.
Yeah.
He's trying to play the earnings on it, which is risky, but it could
tomorrow, man.
bode.
Yeah, what's the Dogecoin at?
40 cents, baby. 40 cents. It's banging right
How do I
now.
do crypto on Webull, man?
You what?
How do I do crypto on Webull?
You just buy it. Same way you do anything else. Like, look. Buy Doge right here.
Here, I'm in Webull.
You're in Webull right now?
Okay,
What do you
I got
wanna buy?
$150, okay? So quick trade. Can I put Dodge?
Yeah.
Can I buy it?
Buy that, yeah. You only put 150? The fuck back out, dude.
Why?
What are your positions? Oh, you got skills, okay.
Mara.
Oh, you bought that on Webull? I thought you bought it on Think or Swim.
Think of so I bought options on Mara today.
You bought
But I have
options on
Mara
Let me
stocks
see.
that I bought. I bought Mara stocks at 45 last week, man. I'm losing on that too.
Oh, don't feel bad.
What about your bingo?
I'm worse than you. I bought it at 50.
Yeah, I know. Which one should I get out of? Should I get out of something and then buy Dodge?
Let me see.
Yeah, I would buy at least sell a little bit of bingo. Because you're only going to get 150 in Dogecoin, man.
You know what? Before I even sell any of that shit, show me how I'm gonna buy Dodge, man. Can you? Quick trade.
Mm-hmm.
It's easy peasy, brother.
Dodge.
No, because it said I'm not. It told me yesterday that I'm not allowed to. I could buy.
You're not allowed to?
No, it probably just gave you a warning saying it's a risky.
No. So what do I do?
Choose the amount. Hold on. So limit price, amount. Let's go all. So 384. You can do, it looks like.
Yeah. I'll buy. Market? No, we want to do market or limit? Just do market. You see?
Insufficient crypto
Yeah.
buying power.
Do I do half?
The crypto buying power is equal to your cash available to withdraw in general funds from stock ETF sales. Let's do like 90%. There you go.
Okay, that's why I got it.
Sometimes here's what's happening. All right, I figured it out. Hafiz, when you do market order, it needs a 5% range. You get what I'm saying? So if you have like, if the market price right now is $1,500 for the amount of shares, and you have $1,505 in there, it won't let you place it. You're gonna have to convert it to a limit order because it needs a 5% spread on either side, up or down, for it to be considered lit market order. Did you buy it?
Yeah, I got it on my view.
All right, man. Look at it here, dude. I picked it up. I picked up that scoop right here on it.
Just now?
No. The other day, last Friday, 1750.
Now that I know I can buy it on Webull, let me know when it drips, okay? Crispy.
You got you, brother.
CERS.
Dude, here's what you do. Fees.
But that's just the stock.
Sell some of your shit. This is how I got this. This literally. Look at this shit. Let's check it out, chat.
But not today, right? Today's
No. Last week.
bought some?
Look.
A little while ago.
28th. So you see, one of these days over here, it was like right where it dipped right here
If
somewhere.
it dips, I'm gonna sell something and just buy it.
You good at CERS? You bought shares, right?
So one of these days over here, like the 25th or something, it dropped. You see this day, the 25th, when it dropped to 23 cents right here? Actually, in that day, one of the candlesticks was a huge red one, dude. Huge, like a huge cliff coming down. And this number hit 16, and I had the 1750 order set already, so it filled it.
Dude, you good with CERS?
So that's what I'm saying. If you want Doge,
What is that gonna do? Just see. I'm not good with everything else.
You were saying, you got the options on Mark.
so what do you want? CERS? What do you? All right, let's
Yeah,
do a little fucking research on this. Let's check with their
MVIS dropped too today, man.
Everything's taking a nosedive.
microvision. Let's see the prices. Ay, caramba! That's a fucking terrible price, bro. Dude, remember when I had it at 14
You
something?
bought VXRT option.
Today, this morning when it dropped.
Motherfucker.
You should backhand him right there.
Yeah, you
Well,
should have
take
been
your hand
watching.
right
You
off
should have
the
been watching the stream,
You
brother.
should just
I was like, don't buy V. Someone asked me in the stream. Henry asked me in the stream. He's like, what about VXRT?
I was up on it, $50.
You should have took your $50 and bought
Why?
you
It's
some
going
food.
back
with
up.
it.
It's coming back up.
They got good news out on them. They got a lot of shit going on. They're gonna hit Sarju's price again, but he should have sold it Friday when it was at what?
What about OCGN? That was
$11, dude. We should have canceled that shit at 11 bucks,
OCGN is
bro.
a good one. Don't let that one go.
I don't
off.
have it.
OCGN is a good one. I mean, it's an okay one. It's a Reddit stock for sure.
It's pumping today, man.
I know.
17%.
I know.
I was feeling like buying it this morning, but I should have. Should have bought that one instead of all the other ones.
It hit 14.
It's gonna be almost 15 now.
I think
Come
it
on,
hit-
BTX.
I think it did hit 15, didn't it, Chris?
What's that? It did. It hit over 15,
Yeah.
to be honest with you.
Today?
Yeah, it opened at 13, right? Correct?
It hit, open today was $13.94, so a little bit of dollar. But it hit $15.49 today.
That would have been a perfect option to hop in and hop out of.
OCGN. Do they have an options chain? Yeah, they
5
do.
option contracts. Now to put the end of the week strike price.
It's the first of the month.
What is good prices? What was that other stock?
Come
you're
on,
saying?
skills.
BTX.
Is that what you're saying, Crispy?
No, don't fuck with it, dude. Don't fuck with it. It's way too high. This is a high risk one.
Give me something to fuck
I
with.
just did it because I'm trying to get it to go to 90, like it did in pre. So if it can hit the 90 in pre, dude, I'll be fucking.
63.45.
All right, you want to look for some stuff, Hafiz, or what? Come on, roll in here, Let's see.
I want my birthday gift on the scalp.
You want your birthday on the scalp?
Scout. Nice.
Okay.
It's up 27%.
All right, what is this PRPO, dude?
Oh, God, that's a strong guy.
PRPO, man.
15 minutes?
Yikes, dude. What did they just announce their income or what?
Who?
PRPO. This company PRPO.
They had earnings today?
Yikes! Only one analyst though. Fuck that. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Hold on a minute. I'll tell you
Omaha,
right now.
Nebraska.
Give me something for a good day swing.
Principio. That's what we're trying to look at right now. Look up PRPO, bro.
Look
PRPO.
it up.
This morning, PRPO.
What did you find out about it this morning?
It's a strong buy.
Motherfucker, you should have bought it, dog. It's at 222 this morning. 220, 240. Any of those prices would have been good.
Shit.
It's just at almost
Are
$3.
they really up 57%?
Their 52-week high is $8 though, so we got to figure out when the fuck that was, cause that ain't good. It was just 424, honestly, and then 8. Yikes, dude. No, I'm gonna go ahead and issue a no, bro, on this one.
Is that day trade?
Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know that it can go much higher than this. You know, it can technically. Like, there's a lot. The support is like a lot higher than where it's at right now, but
No, whatever it's doing.
or resistance rather.
It's a buy rating over here first. Strong buy, not just a buy. Strong buy.
When was their
Earnings.
Yep.
I can look it up right now.
It's cool what they do. Maybe they just got some shit for their antibody test because they have like a COVID test that they're working on. CLL panel, LGVH.
Next earnings is May 25th. They flunked the last one.
Currently available. What do you mean they flung the last one?
The last earnings they had.
They did?
Yep. The next one is on May 25th.
Oh man.
What's the name of that company again?
PRPO.
Yeah.
Dude, BTX getting fucked up right now. Getting fucked up, bro, man. Royally. Oh, man. So is UXIN, dude, honestly. Oh, man. The day is slipping.
Yeah, dude, they failed on their last earnings. But the 3 before that, they passed.
Which one, PRPO?
Yep. It's a good, solid company.
Dude, this Resolute, what about this fucker? It's got super low volume though.
What's up, Scotty? Thanks, buddy. How you doing?
Super low volume.
Wonderful. Just chilling.
MLSS too, dude.
Everything okay with the machines? You good? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Scotty. Appreciate it, man. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.
It's not good, right?
No. Mm-mm. I can't stay away from already stuck in.
Yeah, my wife, she made $3 last night. She made $2 this morning.
What did she make on Dogecoin?
Look at this. She's up again today.
And what?
She's up $100 on Doge and she's up BSV. What is BSV?
BSV? I think that's like a Bitcoin something.
SV, yeah.
Yeah.
She's up $80 on that.
So, did she buy them today?
Yeah, this morning. She bought BSV this morning. She went dive this morning.
Doge. Get a little Dogecoin.
And then she was buying ETC last night at 48.
It's money. ETC.
Yeah, well,
Ethereum Classic.
yeah,
Oh.
Classic. She
Yeah.
bought it at 48. She sold it at 50. Now she got back in it again.
Got back in it again. What time is it? What time Jerry's coming?
11 o'clock. I just called Jerry. I thought everybody was going to be here at 10. So these guys
Uh-huh.
called Jerry. He's like, oh, I'm on my way. I'll be there at 11.
Have it.
Morning, boss. How are you?
Good, good.
Jerry's on the way, huh?
No problem. I'll be there in an hour or two. I'm with the real estate guys in the building.
Okay, okay, good. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Oh, wait. You live in Brooklyn. What's wrong with you? He said I'm with the real estate guy.
Real estate guy? What kind of watch is that, please?
It's a Gucci watch, man.
Like the rapper?
Is there a rapper named Gucci?
Gucci Mane, bro. Come on, nah. Trying to tell me you don't know Gucci Mane?
I don't know who you are.
I didn't know Gucci
Damn.
Mane watches, dude. I got a Mickey Mouse watch.
Ya muerte. No. Pero, oh, for the bicicleta? Okay, okay. When you go there, I tell Claudia she open the door, okay? Alright, okay.